I'm back with another unboxing. I just received this like 10 minutes ago and I've been itching to get into it, so let me open this up. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be this massive and this heavy. So obviously, as you know from the title, I've got the 2019 BTS summer package. This looks so cool. I'm gonna open it. That is going to be so satisfying to peel off. Oh, is that not the best? I really didn't expect it to be in this like acrylic box thing. That's cool. How do I open it though? Oh, like that. God, I made myself jump. I really like this. This is cool. Oh, this feels fragile. Oh God. This feels really fragile. Oh. Okay. Right, shall I just try and cut that? I don't know if I can be bothered to try and save it, I'm just going to cut it. Right, I can't be bothered. Okay, this is cool. This is my first ever summer package, so I have no idea what to expect, to be honest. Whose book did I get? I got Jimin's book! I feel like I am Jimin blessed at the moment. Oh, this is so dinky and cute. I feel like I should open this first. Oh my God, look at this picture of him. Oh, bless him. I'm just going to do a really quick little flick through. Oh, these are cute. Oh, that's sweet. Oh, I really like that. Right, what else do we get? What are these? Are these pencils or something? Oh, it's the fan! It's the fan! Of course it is. Oh, and it comes with a little charm. God, that is dinky. I don't know if you can see it, the logo's there. Let's get into the fan. I love the idea that they've given us a fan. At first I thought it was pencils. I can't remember what is in this, so I genuinely thought it was pencils first. Oh my God, why is this so difficult? Why am I so weak? Please, please, just... Ah, there we go. There was definitely an easier way to do that, but... Ah, that's stunning. I can't believe... I'm speechless. That's actually stunning. Oh my God, and it even has BTS on the side. Look at that. I feel like this is really elegant. I genuinely want to use it in the summer. It's lovely. Okay, I am happy with that. Ah, and I guess the little chain can be put on this, right? Okay, next item. Let's see the DVD. So here we have the DVD. Right, let's get into these. It looks like mine has some damage here. It really isn't picking up on camera, but there's some like creasing marks here all through the image, which is disappointing. There you go, you can see it a bit better there. Do you see this running like mark down his face? which kind of skews the image a bit. Let's see if the other pictures are like that. It looks like Jin and Jimin also have that same creasing down the image. That's really annoying, but I guess you can't tell when it's actually displayed and far away. I really like this folding design for display though. So much easier to be able to get all the members together in one line like this. So next we have whatever these are. I'm not sure, I just know it says Jungkook on the back, so we'll see. Ah, they could be posters. Like miniature posters, maybe? Ah, shut up. They are, they're like miniature posters, but the quality is so nice. Look at Yoongi, oh my god. Right, I'm gonna clear up my table a bit and come back because this is driving me mad. Right, I'm back. Sorry, I really couldn't deal with looking at all that mess, so let's get into these now. I've not looked at any others apart from Namjoon and Yoongi, so... Ah, these are so pretty! Look at them. They're really, really nice. The quality is just amazing, to be honest. And they're not too glossy, they're just that right level of not pearlescent, not matte, but not really shiny gloss. I love these. God, why do they make everything that I want to put in a frame? My walls are going to be covered in BTS at this rate. I mean, look at them. Yeah, I'm officially in love with these. And then what's this? Is this a poster? I wish there was an option to get the posters unfolded as well, because I would really want these in a frame on my wall because they are lovely. Like, that is just this whole scenery thing, the looks. These pictures are insanely good. Really impressed with that. I'm honestly not mad about paying an arm and a leg for this because this is my first summer package and it's a good one. These are just insanely nice. So onto the photo book. Here's the last thing, which is of course the photo book. First impressions, this design is so classy. I think that's what I could describe this whole summer package as. It's just elegant. That's what I think it is, it's elegant. I appreciate that design. This is a good idea. My one gripe with these photo books, all of Big Hit photo books, is that they're not flat lays. I don't like bending the spine and breaking the spine. Half the image gets lost down the spine as well. Petition for Big Hit to make flat lay books. I will be most happy. Right, let me go through it. I'm guessing I will probably just flick through all the pages and add music over the top. Enjoy. This is exactly what I mean. Sorry to butt in with my flip through, but this is exactly what I mean about members getting lost down the spine. The only way I can tell that is J-Hope is by lifting the book like this and properly pulling it apart, which is not ideal. Anyway, back to the rest of the photos. And that's it, that's the BTS summer package photo book done, and it is just, it's really such a nice quality photo book. I am really impressed with it. I think it's one of their nicest photo books that they've actually done. I loved the concept of mixing the old with the new, the traditional. They all look amazing. Really love this photo book. I'm gonna get everything back together and I will see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I've messily put everything back on the table. For my first summer package from BTS, I think this was a really great one to choose. There seems to be a real air of elegance to this summer package that I wasn't necessarily expecting. I think they've put a lot of thought into this. The smallest details, like adding the holographic reflection on the text, I really appreciate those smaller details when I'm buying something, so adding things like that, adding the fan, little things really do make a difference when it comes to packages like this. I also really appreciate that they added full-size photos of the members. I think that's a really nice addition, and the fact it comes in a plastic box as well to keep everything safe. Even down to the colour scheme, the outfits that the boys were wearing, everything about it. If you couldn't tell already, I am definitely in love with it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will see you in my next video.